Hi, I'm Paul Arcario, the interim president here at LaGuardia Community College. LaGuardia is ready to welcome you in the fall. Whether you are a new student or a continuing student, our faculty are excited to teach and support you as you seek to earn a degree, graduate, and move forward with your career. The question many have asked, what will my classes look like in the fall? Will they be online? Will I be coming to campus? Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, and our greatest concern being your health and safety, almost every class, let me repeat that, almost every class will be taught online. For almost every class, you will be taught through distance learning. There will be very limited exceptions that we're preparing for. Those classes, like a few advanced courses in health sciences and possibly some performance classes, where you will meet in person, because the material you need to learn requires you to be physically on campus. Again, LaGuardia in fall 2020 will almost be all online. And if you need a laptop, it's important that you let us know. We can, particularly if you act early, provide you with a laptop so you can take your classes online. Our support services and offices will continue to serve students remotely, and details can be found on our website. So now is the time to register for classes or confirm your schedule. And if you have questions about what classes to take, how to make changes, how to confirm your schedule, talk to your advisor. They can help with your schedule and make sure you are on track to graduate. I know that the pandemic has created much loss and pain for many of us. It's not been an easy time. One thing is clear though, we need your smarts and skills to rebuild our communities. The best way to do that is to register for classes and earn a degree. A college degree will be more valuable than ever and will help you get the job you want. And it will also help you to strengthen your family and our community, our city, and our nation. So come join us at LaGuardia Online in fall 2020. Thank you so much.